So today I'm gonna do a review of Blender Sprite 4 elements, and I'm gonna be the first one to review it. I already reviewed it, but I'm not very confident with the review, and I'm gonna re-review that it again. So let's see. So this comes at a cost of 130 bucks for 90 ml and 260 for the quarter in Assam, and and I want like 1,000+ views, man. Like I'm the first one, so I hope I will get that. And I got 688 something like that views on Roadster. I have Double Dark, the new one that came out. Well, this also has a blue color in it, and this is PT, and it is smoky. It's pretty good. Cost really low, so I really liked it. And how coming to this, I just had it, and my nose wasn't that much clear. So that's why I think my nosing was off. So I'm gonna do this again. So I already had like 1.5 bags. I also got this Mansion House whiskey that no one has reviewed till now. And Mansion House brandy comes, and which some one of my rentee has left a half bottle when I was a kid, and I had that, and I got really drunk. I was not kid, but I was like 10th standard or something like that. So yeah, I had that, man. I really got high, and I did not like it at all. It was brandy, so brandy's taste is not that good. So let's do it. No nosing. Wow, amazing. Malty berry, different kind of a butter note is there, man. Like peanut butter kind of a buttery note is there, which I really like, man. And honey, and that honey tones like you get in blender Sprite. This does smell like blender Sprite, the regular one, but this has something extra in it, like that butter and that different kind of a peanut butter kind of a taste is there, like a salty kind of a smell is coming. Really, that is very unique. I'm not able to tell what that thing actually is, but yeah, that kind of a smell is coming like a peanut butter kind, and floral as well. What about honey and vanilla and all? Vanilla is also there, but not that much. And red apples as well, but more like berry. The malty smell is quite decent. It's not like Teacher's 50, that not that much malty, or Teacher's Highland Cream, but it's decent enough. This is like a good alternative to like Oxmith Gold, definitely, and it comes in the similar price. Wow, this is amazing, bro. The Teacher's 50 is so good. I love it, man. I like Teacher's 50 more than Valentine's, man. The taste was more stronger, so I liked it more. I was having it yesterday. I think a comparison would be really great, man. So I might do that. So what is the price point? This is really great, man. I'm not sure if it's as strong as Oxmith Gold, but yeah, around that. Oh wow, amazing, man. Okay, I took a 50 pack here, bag here, not pack. Don't call it pack. When I was a kid, I used to call this pack. Okay, wow, wow, definitely, man. Very good, very good. Wow, this is really good, man. This is the pricing of this is really justifying the taste, man. Like it is a notch above, like decent level above the regular blender spread. Definitely, I had it on the New Year, and I asked from a friend, and he gave me a very big pig. Thanks for that. And like, yeah, I remember the taste of that, and this really it's a step above. Sweet, that fruitiness, and that unique taste of that butter, and berry taste is very good, like Oxmith Gold. But it's more like a sweet taste than berry taste. Not that much distinct berry taste is coming from this, but yeah, a salty kind of unique taste is there. Oh, it also does smells floral. Have I said that or not? Yes. Also, not that much, but my nose has stopped working again. It just smells floral. Not that much floral as Oxmith Gold or the regular Oxmith either. I have the regular one. I reviewed it, but I'm not satisfied. I drank it quite a bit. I have a full here. It's very cheap here in Assam. 600 rupees, man, for this full. Very good, malty, sweet, fruity. That apricot kind of a like a sweet note is also there, and malty. This is quite okay. This is a step above than the regular blender Sprite, which is great, man. Very good consistency as well. The color is very good, and yeah, man. What else to say about it, man? Definitely, if I had Oxmith Gold, man, I would have compared that. But yeah, it's uh, maybe the Oxmith Gold can be tidbit better than this. But yeah, this is also a very good alternative, man. Let me have one more peg and see, man, if I can add something. Yeah, it's just well, quite a bit floral as well. That apricot kind of a smell is there, like a sweet, peachy apricotic smell is there. Not peach, but more like apricot. Wow, this is good. I think I'll have more of this, man. I didn't think of drinking, but I did it anyway. To eat something, man, or to order something, man. I haven't eaten from the morning. I went to a place, to tea estate, to enjoy the scenery. Man, when it hits the tongue, man, you know it's a good whiskey, man. Definitely very less alcohol bite as well. Like the regular Bender Sprite has a little bit of an alcohol bite. Definitely very less bitterness as well. Little bit bitterness is there. That unique taste is coming, man. That buttery unique taste is there. The regular Smith doesn't. The regular Bender Sprite doesn't have a buttery taste. Honey feeling is not that much prominent, but it's also there. Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. It's pretty great, man. Pretty great. Let's have some raw stack as well, and let's compare a little bit, man. The PT one, the new one, the what the name is, Double Dark. Oh, oh wow. The regular, the Royal Stack Double Dark, man. It's PT, man. It is salty, but when it comes to the fruitiness, this beats that, man. And this has an extra kind of a taste, that buttery taste is there. So in that regard, man, and not that much berry taste is there in this. More like a sweet apple berry taste, peaty taste is there, and it's amazing, man. A little bit of a banana taste is also there in this whiskey, the Royal Stag. It's really great, man. Amazing whiskey at that price, especially. But this also has that butteriness, so definitely that butteriness is quite good. And what else to say, man? I cannot add anything here. Also, like a banana kind of a smell is there in this, man. It's a mist. Let me have one more peg and see, man, if it does taste banana or not. For the price, definitely the blenders is the new one is definitely killer, man. Wow, such a soothing taste. Okay, I'll add a little bit more. Yeah, it's there. The banana taste. Not that much, just a touch of that banana taste, just a touch. Really great, really great. Definitely malty, a little bit decently malty. This it has, and that's it. It's very great, man. Definitely recommend it highly. If you don't want to have Oxmith, you can have this, or maybe you can have Rockford Reserve as well. If you don't want to have Oxmith Gold, then these other two are really great options. So that's it.